Today, there is hardly anyone in this globe who is unaware of the terms coronavirus or COVID 19.
People from all walks of life, old, young, poor or rich, slum dwellers to bungalow owners, all are facing challenges for the current situation we are presented into.
Social distancing, lockdown, quarantine are yet some other words that have been most frequently used over the past few months.
We are quite familiar to the facts and phrases, but how seriously have we all understood them?
This war that we are fighting against something we cannot see has made it even more threatening and challenging.
Besides, there has been no antidote antiviral till date. Scientists are still searching for the vaccine.
It has posted serious impact on the global economy as well. On the other hand, it has come as a boon for the environment.
But when it will end? That is the question.
This is when we should be more cautious and prepare ourselves to fight the situation with one accord.
So, hereafter, we will come up with adapting to the new normal. A series of videos that might help you to know about the upcoming days in our channel called
Genera.
Genera.
Genera, nurturing your concept of genome.